What's up? I am Biggz with MySideHustle.vip. I'm going to show you real simple how you can make 25 cents for posting Facebook comments. So if you don't know, this is part of the OLSP system. I will add a link wherever you're going to see this video. A lot of people are kind of confused about how this works. The OLSP system is a system where you spend $7 one time. You get access to a whole bunch of training modules on how to do affiliate marketing, email marketing, and you can earn commissions while you're doing the training. So part of this that you get to unlock with that $7 is called CD Pro, Domination Pro, and that's what we're going to look at today. So let's get into it. Here you can see this is my personal OLSP dashboard. When you log in, there's usually a banner here that once you get set up, that banner's there for a live event that pops up. If you have time, join the live event, register for the live event, go pay attention to the live event, because the wealth of knowledge that you get in these live events is incredible. But that's not what we're here for. I'm going to show you how to do CD Pro. So I'm going to close that. You can see this is my dashboard. I'm going to scroll down. Yours is going to look a little bit different. I have different modules unlocked, opened, because of the level that I'm at. So we're going to go down to CD Pro right here. Looks like this. Comment Dominator Pro. And then you click on Access Product. So this brings up your CD Pro dashboard. And this is the system that allows you to earn 25 cents for posting Facebook comments. First of all, make sure that you go to, I'm going to close my camera for a second so you can see this. Make sure you're up here and you click on the little people icon and fill in your information. Your Facebook URL needs to be in there. Make sure that your personal information is in there, as well as your payout information. I strongly suggest setting up a Wise account, doing Wise for your payouts, because the amount of transfer taxes that's going to be taken out is a lot less with Wise. So that's for another day. Make sure that your Facebook URL is in your information here. All right. Now, when you got that done, you're in your CD Pro office. You have two options, your inbox and your posts. Your posts is where you want to post your own posts for other people to be able to comment on. You have to buy credits in order to be able to put up promo posts to do that. So if you want to boost your Facebook posts and get people liking your posts and get people commenting on your posts, so it'll bump it up in the feed, this is where you want to go. But you have to buy credits. You can go over here and select your credit pack, and you have to buy credits in order to be able to use credits. Go to your inbox. Your inbox is where you're going to be able to make money for posting Facebook comments. So I scroll down, and you can see down here I have 2 comments available, and I'm going to click on the first one. Automatically, it pulls it up into a new tab, and it pulls up the Facebook post for that comment, or the Facebook post to comment on. So read through the post. They're going to be different, obviously, depending on what's in there. So your access to high-ticket commission mastery awaits. Tomorrow we're giving you one more chance to discover how OLSP members are generating 4-figure commissions from tiny lead lists. You want to make sure that you read that and you post a comment that pertains to that. The more quality comment that you post, the better your engagement score on your social media is going to be. Don't just post something generic and simple. First thing I'm going to do is heart it to give the post some more traction on Facebook, and then you post your comment. Don't post your comment and hit send right away. I'm going to show you why. So I'm going to post, I watched this once, but I feel the need to watch it again. I want to absorb the knowledge. Thanks for sharing this opportunity. Doesn't have to be that long. I prefer it to be for my comments. I want them to be as authentic as possible. So then you highlight it, right click with your mouse and go to copy, or you can use keyboard shortcuts if you know how. So you have that copied. Now you send it. So you can see that your comment posted. Then you go back to your OLSP tab at the top, and that's the one that you commented on. You go over to submit. Click the submit button, and a box will pop up to post the comment. So you tap in there and paste it. Then you hit create. So you can see that it took that Facebook post out of your post inbox table. So that post is no longer there. And if I go to my comments and I flip this little button, you can see that that post is right here and it's pending. So all of the comments are authenticated by real people. So let's do that again. Your access to high ticket commission mastery awaits. You click on it, pops it up in a new Facebook window or Facebook tab, a new browser tab. Sorry. Now, I strongly suggest using Chrome for everything that you do with the OLSP, because Chrome, everything runs faster. Because I have multiple Facebook pages. I use one on Firefox and one on Chrome, and I have a lot of other things running right now on my computer, so it's a little laggy. But here's the post. Your access to high ticket commission mastery awaits. Last chance. Tomorrow we're giving you one more chance. So it's basically the same post. Wayne obviously posted this one. The other one was probably an OLSP. So what I'm going to do is, when my computer catches up, I'll be there. The information I learned the first time I watched it was very valuable. Then I'm going to select it all. Right click, copy, now send. Go back to the OLSP tab. There's the line there that for that Facebook post. Make sure you go over to submit. Click on submit. The box pops up to post the comment. Click in the box and right click and go to paste. So when it's pasted in there, you hit create. It disappears from your post inbox table. If you flip the switch, you can see that now there's another pending one in my lineup. So that's how it's done. It really is that simple. What I do is check 1 or 2 times a day when I think about it. I kind of fallen out of the habit of doing the CD Pro because there's so many other aspects of OLSP that I am focused on right now for higher commissions to make more money. And making money with the system is so easy to do, but I want more than a 25 cents at a time. If you're just starting, this is the absolute way I think everybody should get into creating a habit. So you're logging into the system once or twice a day, checking your CD Pro, and then while you're there, check your leads list, check your commissions, watch your commissions grow. You're getting 25 cents for posting Facebook comments, and you paid $7 for the system, and this is going to last for a long time. It's not going anywhere. So imagine just every time you see a quarter on the street, you're picking it up and dropping in your piggy bank. Same situation here. When you really want to get into other levels, I will do other trainings, modules for the different sections of OLSP. I am learning how to master some myself. But for now, CD Pro and focusing on your Mega Link. If you've got the Mega Link, I strongly suggest the Mega Link is the best place to start. Again, if you want to know what the Mega Link is, if you want to get into my system and check it out, you can. I'm gonna post a link. You can go to www.mrbigz.online. So when you go to www.mrbigz.online, it'll pop up with a form that you just drop your email, and then it'll give you access to the system so you can watch a few introductory videos and see what it's all about. I strongly suggest doing that. But that's it for now. Until next time, keep rocking, find that money, and always chase your side hustle. Dare to dream, hustle to achieve. Let's go.